King oyster mushrooms, probably my favorite fresh mushroom to eat. It's meaty, it's full of umami. Today we're gonna saute them. Let's do it. So, first you prep the mushrooms. You can wash your mushrooms, just make sure you do them right before cooking. We're gonna cut diagonally, and you want them to kind of be even sized. So this maybe we half. The smaller they are, the faster they cook. But because it's such a meaty mushroom, I like them a bit chunky. It looks like a lot now, but they will shrink once they hit the pan. Then we mince half a shallot. And we mince some garlic. As you notice, I put my garlic separately because they burn more easily, so we'll add them after the shallots are a bit translucent. And we add a bit of parsley at the end for garnish. And now we're ready to cook. So, hot pan, olive oil in. Once the oil starts to shimmer, mushrooms. You want to try as hard as possible for them to form a layer. If you have way too much, do them in batches. This is barely okay. You salt. This will also help the mushroom release their liquids. Black pepper. You want them to first release most of their water content. Only then they can start to brown. Most people undercook their mushrooms, so they finish cooking before the browning even starts. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on your stove. If they look dry, you can always add a bit of olive oil to help. So once they look well browned and they have reduced in size, you want to reduce the heat and add your shallots. Now that the shallots are translucent, garlic in. And I would reduce the heat by a tiny bit more, just so that the garlic doesn't burn. And the very last minute, a dash of soy sauce, just for some extra umami. Now, stove off, parsley in. And now we plate. And there you have it, sautéed king oyster mushrooms. I hope you enjoy.